In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Wix. This is a very quick and beginner-friendly task, and once you know where to click, you can add text to any page on your Wix site in just a few moments. If you're customizing a homepage, creating an About section, or adding a title anywhere on your website, this process is simple and easy to repeat. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the page where you want the text to appear. Make sure you're inside the editor view so you can make changes directly on the page. Once you're there, look toward the top left area of the screen and click Add. This is where Wix keeps all the elements you can insert into your website, including text, images, buttons, and more. After you click Add, move to the icons on the left side of that panel and select Text. This will open the text options available for your site. In this section, Wix gives you a few ready-made text styles that you can use right away, which is helpful if you want something fast and clean without having to build it from scratch. From here, you can simply click one of the default headings if you want to insert a standard text box immediately. This is often the fastest option if you're adding a title or section heading and want a style that already fits well with most site layouts. You can also click Available Titles if you want to browse more text designs and choose a style that better matches the look of your website. As soon as you click the heading or title style you want, Wix will place that text box onto your page. At that point, the text box has been added successfully. You can then move it around later, resize it, or edit the wording directly inside the editor as needed, but the main part of the process is complete as soon as the text element appears on the page. A helpful tip is to choose a text style that matches the purpose of the content. For example, headings work best for section titles, while other title styles may be better for featured text or more decorative areas of your site. Keeping your text styles consistent can also make your website look more professional and easier to read. And that's all it takes to add a text box in Wix. Once you've done it once, you'll be able to add text anywhere on your site quickly and confidently.